Hello, guys. Welcome to our series all about Wix carts and checkouts. Today, let's talk about how you can customize your cart page settings. Let's dive into it. On the Wix editor, go to Pages and Menu. And under Store Pages, select Cart Page. Your cart page will be empty as of the moment, since we're not really actively taking orders yet. So now click on your cart page element and click on Settings. Here, go to the Settings tab, and let's work on our cart settings section by section. So what's displayed? Select the items that you would like to display on your cart page. You can simply tick the checkbox for the corresponding item you want to display. Next, customize the browsing link. Toggle this button on or off. If you toggle this button on, click here and make sure to select page and then select the page where you'd like to take them. In my case, I'd like to take them to my products page so that they can continue looking at products they might like to add to their carts. Then click on done. And finally, we have the Express Checkout section. So if you enable it, especially if you've already set up your payment options, you'll be able to set up an Express Checkout provider such as PayPal, which will direct customers to complete their checkout there. Once you're done, review all of the changes that you've made. And don't forget to click on Save to save your progress. If you already have your site previously published, you can also click on Publish to publish the changes effectively. And that's all for today, guys. Hope you found today's video of help. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe for more Wix tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.